In a video posted not too long ago, we showed how tech companies like Microsoft, Cloudflare, and even Starlink were engaged in the war in Ukraine by providing the technology that allows governments but also civilians to communicate in a safe and protected way. During the 3 years of combat, Ukraine has been able to fight off the Russian army thanks to the bravery of its troops, the support from Western allies, but also thanks to the use of technologies on the battlefield. These are not only provided by big tech companies and by international allies, but they are also developed by Ukrainian startups, the same startups that are having a pivotal role in the country's resilience and economic revival. 12 Ukrainian startups were at CES 2024 to showcase the newest technologies developed to meet the needs created by the war. As often happens, the innovations introduced in times of war find applications in the daily life. Here are some of the technologies presented at CES by a selection of these Ukrainian startups. Every year, thousands of individuals in Ukraine and around the world face the challenge of limb loss. The existing solutions are either limited or unaffordable. The mission of Versi Bionics is to help those with disabilities regain their lost abilities and return to a life of freedom. Check Eye is a solution that uses AI and machine learning to screen injuries, but also chronic diseases and their complications for the eyes. Faults Locator is a solution that instantly locates the power line fault. It is a device with a microprocessor inside that is installed in an electric substation and sends an alert when the power is out. The main goal is to reduce the time of blackouts. One fundamental need in wartime is to keep soldiers and civilians hydrated. Some of the solutions are now available commercially. OptiSun and OptiSun Filter are a bottle and a filter developed to disinfect and extend the shelf life of safe drinking water. Meltwater Club are instead purification facilities that use freezing technology to clean water. These facilities differ from ordinary filters in that they do not require regular maintenance and do not produce waste. The technology works by purifying and desalinating water through the process of freezing. This method is more efficient and cost-effective than traditional methods, such as filters and reverse osmosis, and also uses less energy. Meltwater Club technology can treat a wide range of water sources, including ocean water, river water, and even wastewater, and can be used for both residential and commercial applications. One of the consequences of wars is the shortage of labor. Deus Robotics wants to fill the void by providing intelligence robots to automate operations in the warehouse. From the experience gained by using drones instead, we have FarmFleet, an online service that uses drones for advanced agricultural services, including monitoring and spraying of cultivated lands. In times of war, however, the challenge for farmers is to find safe corridors to move the products, and grains in particular, to the rest of the world.